Welcome to Unit 5, 35 Newhaven Street. 9-foot ceilings, 3 bedrooms, extra large, 2.5 bathrooms. But what sets this one apart is simply invites you to walk in and enjoy carefree living.
Another story that's got me blind, got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find, just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing.
The location is simply superb, with an 8-minute easy stroll to the major shopping centre, a 4-minute walk to the bus stop. You're right next to Moreton Bay Institute of Tafe. Best of all, you have no rear neighbours. Walk to everything and want for nothing.